Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all Snapchat conversations quickly. So if you want to delete all the conversations in just once, I will show you how to do this. So first of all, you just have to open the Snapchat application. And now if you tap on this chat icon, you can see there are lot of conversations. So now if I want to delete this one, you can see I have to tap and hold on it, and then there are many options. But if you want to delete that, the simple way is tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner, tap on this settings, scroll down for this account actions, and you can see this clear conversation. So just tap on this clear conversation, and now you can see your all the conversations here. If you want to delete them, just tap on this cross and tap on this clear. By doing that one by one, you can easily clear all your conversations on Snapchat. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.